All right, guys, check this out right here. This is what happened when your friend trying to do some brake job on your car. See, jack the wrong location. The jack point area is right here. It's supposed to be in that groove right there. You put that's how you put the jack and or the lift, and they messed that up right there. Look, what do you think, guys? You think the person who was working on it don't know what he's doing? They ain't damaged that thing bad. Holy moly, look. Oh God, dude. He messed it up real bad. And this is pretty much what it is. This car right here came in. You see, you want to balance his tires, but this one right here had split belt. See that? And also this one too. This one got a